Mark your calendars. Sunday, December 6th, quick office break yoga. Wednesday, December 9th, acupressure mat review. Sunday, December 13th, feel your best yoga flow. Wednesday, December 16th, introducing the 10-day yoga challenge for beginners. Sunday, December 20th, how to use yoga blocks for beginners part 2. Sunday, December 27th, beginner restorative yoga flow. Wednesday, December 30th, 10-day yoga challenge for beginners, day 0. This is an orientation video that will prepare you for our 10-day yoga challenge. See you on the mat.